St. Mary's County Public Schools celebrates the Week of the Young Child. SNCPS recognizes the importance and value of early childhood education. In pre-kindergarten, students start developing important skills and learn about various subjects in a welcoming and developmentally appropriate environment. Language and literacy skills are practiced with reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Mathematics is taught through hands-on learning. Science is taught by experimenting. Social studies teaches students about our world. Students learn the basics of health and how to keep a safe environment. Developing relationships with both teachers and peers helps build social foundations. Fine arts allow students to express their creativity. And students engage in fun activities that help with motor development. Early childhood education gives our children the foundation for lifelong social and educational skills. Instilling a love of education at an early age increases attendance and graduation rates. St. Mary's County Public Schools celebrates the Week of the Young Child.